1966 Ford F100 pickup here, unique especially in classics. Of course, the 65 to 66 were the twin I-beam independent front suspension years. Another way to tell them, of course, the turn signals above the headlights. 240 inline six underneath the hood of this one. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission with a shift on the column. As you can see, riding on 5-spoke chrome wheels. Let's take a look at this front grille. Bumper. Now paint on this one is a B paint code, so Caribbean turquoise was the original color of this truck. The thing is, the paint does show its age. There's some kind of crazing on it. I don't know if you can see the light crazing I'm talking about there, but there's imperfections here or there. So it's kind of a borderline, not quite to the patina stage, but there's some indications of it. But yet the paint still has a decent shine to it. And look, take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a look at the undersides, interior, engine bay, bed of the truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. So we're going to check out all the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Cooper Cobra radials, as you can see. Take a look down the passenger side of the truck. You can see a little corrosion down here. Maybe a little ding here or there. Again, kind of adds to the character and the age and the, slight patina of the truck, if you will. Cab corner. Be a fun truck to still get in, drive. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There is a illustrated fun fact and features manual there, as well as the owner's manual. We'll send those along with the truck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the nice long panel on the side of that box is straight. If you like these old trucks, whether it be Ford or Chevys, maybe Dodges, maybe like muscle cars or late model sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go ahead and click and like on subscribe and like. You never know what you will see come through here and see a video of. So if you just like checking out cars, go ahead and do that. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see that side of the box nice and straight. But again, there's spots where there's some age to the paint. Again, if you want to call it patina. $129-inch wheelbase truck on this platform right here that you're looking at. I have had the wipers working. When we get to the interior, we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Radio powered up, but I did not get any reception. Also, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. We'll also take a look underneath the hood, check out that engine bay, and again, the inline six, 240 cubic inch inline six. And I did mention earlier, 65 and 66 model years, that independent twin I-beam front suspension with coil springs. See, the interior's also been recarpeted and redone. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Turn key over here. This truck has started like that every time I have fired it up. As you can see, fuel gauge, temp gauge, aftermarket stereo. Again, powers up. I've not had reception with it though. Wipers, I have had them working. Let me make sure I'm in neutral here. Door closes nicely, slip around to the back, nothing crazy for exhaust. Actually, nice quiet running truck. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can use both hands. Let's get this hood open and check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. We're going to take it for a ride. Go down the road with it, see how it drives out. There's a peek at the underside of the hood. And here it is, that inline six, humming right along. Pretty clean, tidy engine bay, not a bunch of corrosion like you see under the hood sometimes. Intake and exhaust manifold over here. There's a battery disconnect for in between drives, or maybe while it's in storage. 1966 Ford F100 pickup. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Ford F100 in a nice turquoise color, very period correct color with some white accents in the dash. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Our blinker indicator is working. It's a nice smooth running straight six truck. Straight six is known for their dependability. Fuel gauge is reading 3/4 of a tank. Temperature is showing about 150 right now. Probably still climbing up a little bit. Looks like a later model bench seat in this truck, very comfortable. Nice ride down the highway. There's a little slack in the steering, as you might expect from this era of a truck. Factory horn is working well. There's a older Sony radio in the dash.
The raspberries, let's go all the way.
That is picking up AM. I have not tested the cassette player. Really solid truck. Really, for the most part, original looking. A great truck for somebody. Brakes work well. Speedometer is working. We'll go down a second for the roundabout here. Corners nicely. Truck stays straight if you let go of the wheel, which means it is aligned nicely. This is a smooth riding truck down the road. Take a look at all those pictures and check out the bed. The inside of the bed looks just as nice as the paint on the outside at UniqueClassicCars.com.